Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Toyota Camry cabin air filter, easy method. First, open the glove box and lower the stops to expose the filter housing, then unclip the rectangular cover. Pull the old filter straight out, noting its airflow arrow direction, and inspect the housing for leaves or dust. Clean the area if needed and prepare the new filter for installation. With the glove box lowered, locate and unlatch the rectangular filter cover. It usually snaps out easily. Slide the old cabin filter straight out and note the airflow arrow so you can install the new one the same way. Check the housing for leaves, dust, or moisture and remove any debris with a vacuum or cloth. If wet, dry the area before putting in the replacement filter. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy car tips. On another note, I use the Echo Dot smart speaker to play how-to playlists while I work. It fills the garage with sound and keeps me focused. Check the description for the link and other deals on the product I showed. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Confirm the new filter's airflow arrow points toward the cabin, then slide it into the housing without folding the pleats. Reattach the cover by snapping it back in place and verify it is fully seated to prevent air bypass. Lift the glove box and squeeze the sides to re-engage the stops, then close it. Run the blower briefly to confirm steady airflow and listen for any unusual noises that might indicate misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.